Let me show you the very basics of editor scripting. Here I have some script attached to a simple node. What I wanna do for now is to hide the array when the checkmark is disabled. To do so, we need to turn this script into an editor script by putting the tool annotation at the top. This means that our script can now run inside the Godot editor itself. The lifesaver hack every single Godot user must know by heart is to reload the freaking project. Seriously, if I had known it earlier, I would have saved hours of frustration. Back to work, the very first holy function we're gonna need is getPropertyList. This function returns the list of the properties shown in the inspector as an array of dictionaries. Defining such an array, let's append our properties to it. Each property should have at least the name and the type specified. The name must match the actual name of the variable so that the inspector property gets linked to the value of the variable itself. Let's link our first inspector property to the checkmark. Now we have two of them, one at the top and one at the bottom. The reason is that we don't need export annotation anymore. As you see, although the variable check is declared first, but the array is now at the top. Variables exported to the inspector always go first. Let's represent our array using the properties defined in getPropertyList to have full control over it. Now the array goes below the checkmark. The last thing we need is simply check the value of the boolean and decide whether or not to show the array. It doesn't seem to be working, but it actually is. You just need to deselect and reselect the node to refresh the inspector. And this sucks. The simple solution is to force the inspector to update by using the notifyPropertyListChanged function, which emits the property-list change signal. So let's define a getter and setter, and now it works as soon as we click on the checkmark. There is also another way to hide and unhide properties, and it's using the usage option in the properties array. The two main ones we're gonna be using for now are property usage default and property usage no editor. You can declare a new variable containing the property usage and change it based on your inspector conditions. And it is working as expected. So this is it for the very first introductory video on editor scripting. Subscribe and hit the bell and don't miss what's coming next. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you up in the next video.